I want to welcome everybody to the Bus Life Adventures of the DJ.
The Bus Life Adventures of the DJ.
This journey started because of COVID.
So this is what we're doing today right here. What's up? We about to go to Home Depot, get some more stuff for the van build. My bad. For the bus build. Gotta get some screws before we can start working on this bed platform. Work on the bed platform. Then I'm going to work on the walls, but I want to get I want to get the bed platform out the way first, so I can know what I really want to do. Because I'm just going off YouTube and things that I've seen on YouTube that I like, and I want to incorporate it all in the bus build. We about to go into Home Depot, and I'm tired like a bitch. I'm tired. All this DJing, this strip club life ain't no joke. I'm tired. But the party bus, van bill, bus life, it's all gonna be in one. It's all gonna be in one. It's your boy, DJ Soul Rock. What's the price of the lumber? Got 16 of them boards. The bus bill is coming along. We need more boards. Good morning. Returning some stuff to Lowe's for the shuttle bus build that we're not using. platform insulation. We're not going to use those. And some other insulation. We're going to take one bag back since we got the shuttle bus instead of the van. The walls are different. I put some insulation in the crack yesterday, glued it. I want to see how it will hold up. Held up kind of good. We'll do some more this week. Let's go into Lowe's. Had to get some more lumber. The bus build is coming along. We at Lowe's. I'm tired. It's another day. Bus life. Almost bus life. Party bus. I don't know. We just converting a bus. A shuttle bus at that. Yep. Back to the house we go, back to the house we go. Oh, we done for the day. We's tired. We done. We going back to the all the wires hanging down. Yeah. With all the wires. We're still trying to lay out this shuttle bus conversion. Our shower will go right here. And I'm gonna try to put these couches right here. Put some different couches. Something. A bench. Try to come up with something. Either just use the top or the bottom. We're gonna come up with something. And the refrigerator right here. And the cabinets right here. I might try to put the refrigerator. In this spot right here. And put a pantry right here. Probably could still put a pantry in here. But we gotta get everything sorted out. What we gonna do. That's gonna be it. Just a little update. What I'm trying to put together. Oh, and the bed is right here. Hope it's not too high. Just another layout. I think I'm putting the refrigerator right. Put a pantry right here. ready. Might be a little high. We gonna see. No. What's up, Dan Lifers? We about to frame the shower out. Usually I have my brother help me, but I don't feel like calling him today. And I don't feel like paying him today. I think today, I'm gonna try to frame it myself. Phone fell. There might be a sign. I might need to call my brother. Nah, not today. This is how we looking so far. This is how we looking so far. This ain't gonna be here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. There's only $3 at the restore place. This is how we looking. Working on framing in the shower now. Got some temp boards, so I can know how far to push it to the back. Yeah, working on that. We gonna work on this tomorrow. I'm tired. That's it for the day. Habitat for humanity. Couches. Cabinets. $45 for that. $45 for that. name you It's Your Boy. That's the name of the shuttle bus, It's Your Boy. Yep. We got packages from Amazon. Yep. The van bill. My bad. The bus bill is on schedule.
This is it right here. The adventures have begun.
The Boss Life Adventures of the DJ.